The duty begins before the sun. The only promise is cold steel, canvas, and the hour before movement. He was not a man. He was equipment, standing in stillness, awaiting the final order to mobilize. The Legion moved as one. Every piece of gear, every stride, perfect, measured discipline. Survival was simple, hard bread, a wooden cup. The greatest enemy was the dust. He paid the cost in sweat, digging for one crucial drink of water. Every muscle ached, the sun beat down. He was granted a pause, but the contract was never broken. He built the roads he marched on. When the day's labor was done, the ritual began. Fire, food, and the silence earned from the final debt. A moment to weigh the dice, counting small human victories that kept the focus away from the day's madness. Then came the night watch. Every dawn, the contract was renewed. This was the life of the Legionary.